Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will show you how to record a Google Slides presentation or lesson using both audio and video. This skill is perfect for building tutorials or lectures for your audience. Start by opening your browser and going to the Google Slides website at docs.google.com/presentation. You must sign into your Google account using your email and password, making sure to use the account where your slides are saved. Once you are logged in, you will reach the Google Slides homepage. This is your main workspace for creating or opening presentations. Confirm that your slides are ready for recording. Next, go to Google and search for the phrase "record to slide." This search will lead you to a specific tool for the recording process. Look for the Record to Slides entry in the Chrome Web Store and click it to visit the extension page. On the extension page, click the Add to Chrome button and follow the installation prompts. It is important to refresh your Google Slides page after installing to ensure the tool is active. You should now notice a new recording icon within the Google Slides interface. Open your presentation and locate this recording option in your toolbar. Click on the recording feature to open the setup window. If you want to include your voice and video, make sure your microphone and camera are both enabled. Check your volume settings and position your camera correctly for the best presentation quality. You are now ready to produce a professional Google Slides video with full audio and video support. Happy presenting!